Trading involves risk. Results are not guaranteed.
I am now going to be running Pocket Option Auto Trader when there are some big news going on. And let's see how the bot will do. This time also I will let it take 10 trades, so there are no doubts how it will do under big news. If you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this free binary option robot for yourself, you find a link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So with that, let's start it up and let's see how we do. So, like we expected, this was going to be hard, but we still made profit. 42%, terrible, but never was dangerous. We got 5 wins, 7 losses, and $528 profit. So, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day.